Hi, I'm Demira. Welcome to this short video series where we explain hair loss treatment options and give you a clear picture of what to expect throughout the process, what your treatment options are, and what choices will need to be made along the way. It'll serve as a guide from your initial consultation through the procedure itself and any recovery that may come with it. Throughout this process, your provider will work with you to help you achieve your unique goals. And speaking of your provider, obviously this is a very important factor as well. Many patients take their time to find the provider they feel comfortable with and who understands their unique goals. At your consultation, you'll have an opportunity to ask your provider questions so you can feel comfortable and confident that you will have a successful outcome. It is an exciting time and you're embarking on an exciting journey. We'll be with you all the way. See you again soon.